Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add apps and icon on your desktop any computer running on Windows 10 or 11. So it's pretty simple. First on your desktop, right click and go to personalize. On the left side, select themes, then on the right top corner, click on desktop icon setting. Then this window will pop up. Which of these apps do you want to move to the desktop? Check them and click on apply and click on OK. Here you can see all the selected icon displayed here. So if you want to all your apps and game to move to the desktop, for this go to start. Here you are all apps and games. So simply drag and drop to move icon on desktop. So that's all. Like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.